Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm back down here in Florida and it feels just like spring, and we're here at the Cobb Cottage. We've been constructing piece by piece for about 3.5, maybe 4 years now. But as you'll see here, we finally got the windows installed. All 6 windows have been created and installed, and so this building is finally closed in and almost livable. So that's very exciting. Now, this video I wanted to talk about our upcoming workshop, which is going to be right here in Florida next month in April, and you'll get to experience this whole house for yourself. We're actually going to be doing our classroom sessions inside this building and doing our projects here as well. And the class is focused on cob, rammed earth, and earth plaster. So let's go in the back here and I'll give you a little tour. So as soon as you come in the Cobb building, you'll feel the temperature lower slightly. Now it's pretty warm outside. It's probably in the high 60s. And so when you come in here, it's nice and cool. It feels great, especially in the summertime. And so we'll all be inside here for classes. And you'll get to see and experience the entire feel of being in a Cobb building. And you'll notice there's still gaps around the windows and doors. We'll actually be working during the workshop to fill in those gaps. We're going to use earth plaster. I'll show you how to create the plaster, mixing it up, getting the right ratios, and then applying it to walls. We'll do some of the outside walls here, and then doing some plaster finish work around the windows. Now, I'm also going to show you how to build a Cobb wall. We have a project out back we're going to do. And then I want to show you out here, one of the other main focuses in this class is going to be rammed earth, which is a really special skill. And so, take a look at this. So this is rammed earth. Now this is actually compressed earth, but it's made of the same material as this Cobb structure right here. It's just the earth is used in a different method. So during the workshop, I'm actually going to show you, and you're going to participate in creating a proper concrete foundation. And this concept applies to not only making a post like this, but also to a house or any larger structure. And then we're actually going to build another one of these posts adjacent here. And the purpose of these posts is we're building an outdoor courtyard behind the Cobb house here, and this is all going to be enclosed back here in the end. So that's kind of the gist of this class. Come down to Florida, the weather's amazing. We're going to be doing cob, earth plaster, and rammed earth. It's an excellent overview of earthen construction. And so I already have a link down in the description. Just click that link and it'll take you to the page on my site with all the details of the curriculum and everything about the workshop, and you can sign up there. If you have any questions, email me, alex@thiscobbhouse.com, or leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But you know, it's a great opportunity to learn, and I hope to see more of you there.
You didn't say bye.